Hi children, good morning. How you all are? Today we are starting with page number 108 and we are starting with exercise D. Now we have to use the conjunction and make the sentence. Gopal has not come, Seema has come. Gopal has not come but Seema has. I like Hemant, he is very sincere, he is honest. I like Hemant because he is very sincere and honest. Geeta is unwell, she is cheerful. Geeta is unwell, but she is cheerful. Daksh could not pass the driving test, he had practiced hard. Daksh could not pass the driving test, although he had practiced hard. I went to the market, I needed apples, I needed pears. I went to the market as I needed apples and pears. My father was tired. He had been working all day. My father was very tired as he had been working all day. Now review 4. Dinesh whispered the answer to Divit softly and the Divit ran quickly and completed the puzzle. I completely agree with you. There should be a hospital nearby. There was a terrible storm yesterday. It is a sunny day today. I go for a walk daily and my friend Deepak sometimes comes, but Rishabh never comes with us. Winter is almost over, but this part of lake is still frozen. Now next, fill in the blanks with preposition. I sat on the sofa between Neetu and Ananya. Between Neetu and Ananya. Between Neetu and Ananya. When we were across the bridge, a boat sailed by over it and a helicopter flew past on us. The little boy ran on the road and got in the car with his mother. In the morning, I looked at my school diary and learned that I had a holiday on 5th November. At bedtime last night, my father told me a story about two rabbits that lived in a garage. Okay, now we are starting our next chapter, children. Sentence and its type. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. सेंटेंस ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स होता है जो कि हमें कंप्लीट सेंस समझाता है. इट एक्सप्रेसेस अ कंप्लीट थॉट. इससे हमको पूरा सेंटेंस समझ में आता है. रीड दिस डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. एन ईगल फ्लाइज इन द स्काई. डिड यू कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क? हाउ सैड दिस न्यूज इज? सीमा, सिट डाउन. नाउ पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर. In a sentence, we place the word in order so that they make complete sense. किसी भी सेंटेंस में हम वर्ड्स को ऐसे लिखते हैं जिससे कि कंप्लीट मीनिंग पता चले. अ सेंटेंस ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. एक सेंटेंस हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है. अ सेंटेंस एंड्स विद फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क. ये फुल स्टॉप, ये क्वेश्चन मार्क, ये एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क. ओके. देयर इज़ नो लिमिट टू द नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स इन द सेंटेंस. कितने भी वर्ड्स हो सकते हैं लेकिन एक्सप्रेस होना चाहिए सेंटेंस. अ वर्ब इज़ अ नेसेसरी पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. वर्ब मीन्स क्रिया. इट हेल्प्स टू क्लैरिफाई द सब्जेक्ट इन अ मीनिंगफुल वे. रीड दिस ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. द रैबिट बिहाइंड द बिग बुश. नाउ अब इसमें देखो ये कंप्लीट सेंटेंस नहीं है, सो इट विल बी नॉट नोन एज द कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. लेट्स गिव इट अ वर्ब. अब यहाँ पे वर्ब नहीं था इसलिए ये इनकम्प्लीट है. अब हम वर्ब देंगे इसको. द रैबिट हिड बिहाइंड द बिग बुश. ओके, तो ये वर्ब आ गया, छुपा लिया, तो हमको कंप्लीट पता चल गया सेंटेंस. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, रीअरेंज द वर्ड्स इन ईच सेट टू मेक अ मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस. ओके. When I father with park to play swings on me, the two, I went to the park with my father to play on the swing. A beautiful what painting? What a beautiful painting! Exclamatory mark. Eating fruit. Which fruit you are eating? Sarita, Naveen and are studying test for English there. Sarita and Naveen are studying for their English test. Tiger could not, but chase the deer it catch, but the tiger could not catch the deer it chased. Miss the if hurry we train will do not, we miss the train if we do not hurry. Read which are book you going to now, which book you are going to read now. Will surely Mehak first come to race in sports day our on, will Mehak surely come first on the sports day in race. Okay. Now type the sentence based on the purpose. Sentences are of four kinds: declarative or assertive. Declarative sentence, this type of sentence means in what manner it is. Such a declarative or assertive sentence start with the fact. कोई भी डिक्लेरेशन जब हमको करना होता है तो वहाँ पर एक फैक्ट होता है, एक सही बात होती है, उसको हम डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं. अ डिक्लेरेटिव और एन असर्टिव सेंटेंस एंड्स विद द फुल स्टॉप. इस तरीके का सेंटेंस फुल स्टॉप से कंप्लीट होता है. रीड दिस डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. सुहाना dances well. India is a part of Asia. They have reached home. The shopkeeper closes his shop at 7 in the evening. Interrogative. Interrogative में क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. Where did you go for summer vacation? Is your father in the police or in the army? Can you lend me a pencil? फिर इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस में क्या होता है, हम वहाँ पर कुछ ऑर्डर देते हैं, है ना, एंड लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप. महिमा सिट डाउन. सारा हेल्प मी कैरी दिस हैवी बैग. प्लीज़ बी केयरफुल वाइल क्लोजिंग द डोर. हम किसी को कहते हैं या ऑर्डर देते हैं या किसी से हेल्प मांगते हैं, तो इम्पेरेटिव. एक्सक्लेमेटरी, हम बहुत हैरान हैं तब. सच लवली वेदर. हे आई वॉजंट एक्सपेक्टिंग यू. Oh, you poor thing, thank God for these. Okay. Now see exercise. Read these sentences and we have to write which type of sentence it is: declarative or interrogative, imperative, exclamatory or whatever. Okay. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Declarative. What a beautiful man our principal is. Exclamatory. Have you seen my diary anywhere? That is interrogative. Do not waste your time playing video games so much. Imperative. Then how breaking this view is. Exclamatory. इस तरीके का जो साइन है exclamatory. It becomes very cold in Shimla during the winter. Declarative. Please help the old lady cross the door. Imperative. Wasn't it your turn today to take the dog out for a walk? Interrogative. Okay. Now make meaningful sentences. यहाँ से हमको meaningful sentence बनाना है और यहाँ पे दे रखा है हमको कैसा sentence. Declarative. A horse can sleep both lying down and standing up. Interrogative. Whose pen is this? Please bring. Imperative. Please bring your notebooks. Exclamatory. What a beautiful day. Interrogative. Has anyone seen my pen? Imperative. Wash your hands. Wash your hands properly. Kangaroos are declarative. Kangaroos are smart animals. Exclamatory. How wonderful dress it is. Okay. So now see in homework what you have to do, children. Exercise D. Review 4. Then exercise A. Then exercise B and exercise C. Okay. This all you have to complete in your homework and you have to write in your notebook also. Okay. Have a nice day, children. Bye bye. Take care.